In this video, I'm going to explain the reasons behind changing the structure of the SLMC in 2019. So we introduced SLMC 8, 11, and 13 in 2019. Now, up to 2018, we had only one competition for all levels, and we managed it somewhat successfully by having these questions, easy, medium, hard, and so even the A-level student had a challenge, and also the competition was accessible to even grade 8 students, right? But then we realized that we have to, if you want to move forward, right, we need to split the competition at different levels. And as I explained in SLMC4 introduction, I explained why we introduced SLMC4. Now, we wanted to do this structuring in stages, right? So in 2019, we introduced the levels 8, 11, and 13. And in that year, we published this booklet explaining the reason behind this structuring, and we published this in all 3 languages, single, Tamil, English, and we actually posted it to I think most of the schools, must be about 6,000 plus schools, right? So we can look at the contents of this book, right? So let me share the book. So here you can see the book, the English book, right? So as you can see, hold on, let me get my pen active. Takes a few seconds, all right? So, right. So this was a nice introduction to the structuring, restructuring, and with some pictures. And so let's see the contents of this booklet. So an introduction and to Olympiad mathematics, International Mathematical Olympiad, and yeah, the Sri Lanka Olympiad Mathematics Foundation and the Sri Lankan Mathematical Olympiad. Yeah, and then the 3 levels. Now let's see. So let's look at this page. So yeah, actually, as you know, I told you in that SLMC4 introduction, right? We actually have done this with understanding. For example, if you look at here, what we say, right? It is important to note the students in grade 6, 7, and 8 are in the formal operation stage and capable of understanding logical use of abstract concepts, hypothetical deductive reasoning, and problem solving, right? Through trial and error methods, right? According to Piaget's cognitive development theory. So we have done this with the understanding of Piaget's cognitive development theory about children, right? So this was not just some, something we done without understanding. So it was done with understanding, right? And we say here that so this is the best age for developing such positive attitudes, right? So and also let's read what is it. Since doing poorly in these competitions does not affect children's school records, they can take part in these competitions to improve their mathematical thinking. it is expected that every student in grade 6, 7, and 8 will take SMC 8 and have a positive experience in mathematics by solving puzzle type problems in a low stress and friendly environment, right? So the idea was actually still the idea is that we uh, get them exposed to puzzle type, right? Question that stretch their imagination, right? And then uh, even if they do poorly, it doesn't affect their school records, right? So this actually should happen in a stress-free, friendly environment, low stress. Actually, there has to be a certain amount of stress, right? A healthy stress, not like the stress in that is prevalent in grade 5 scholarship exam, not like that, right? A friendly, I mean, a low stress and a friendly environment, and they should enjoy. Of course, some will do better, right, than others. That is fine, right? So the most important thing is that the exposure to this kind of problems, right, which the students cannot find in the school curriculum, right? And as I have said in that SMC4 video, right? The experience I had with the Timor International Mathematical Olympiad. So these are actually, so they are competitions, right? Timor, Ichkimo, and Vimo, right? All right, now let's see what else is there. I don't want to make this video unnecessarily longer, right? So yeah, and then this book goes on to explain. We have some model papers for SMC8, right? So this was included, and what else? Let's see. Here's the model papers, and here I think um, something important. These pictures, right? These pictures. That actually, these pictures, right, are the pictures of uh, students receiving the W. Gunaratna Memorial Gold Medal, awarded by the Sri Lanka Association for the Advancement of Science, right, as the best performer, right? So they yearly they give this award to the best student in mathematics, and they get our nominations, right? The Sri Lanka Olympiad Math Foundation, and then they award it, right? So in 2018, the year 2018, Gaurav Mahamaduke received the award, and then in 2019, sorry, yeah, 2017, the year before Gaurav got the award, right? 2017, um, Manik Pereira got the award, and you can see that the presenter, right? I think, yeah, in this case, minister, right? And then I think in this case, I think he's this NASA scientist, Professor Gunapal. Uh, yeah, I can't remember his last name. So yes, so we can see that the importance the Sri Lanka Association for the Advancement of Science has given to what we do, right? So what is this in this booklet? So let's see. Um, let's see. Here, there's something I want to point out. So this SMC problem of the week. So these are our efforts in in popularizing Olympiad mathematics. So this is actually published in the Vidisara newspaper, and this actually simply a translation of that. Okay, so as you know, it's a single publication, right? So this is an English translation of that. So all that is there. So we'll actually put this in the for you to download, right? So as you can see, so this restructuring of SLMC, right, has been done with a lot of care, right? And so we did it in 2019, and then I think in 2022 we introduced SMC 5, and then in 2023 we introduced SMC 4, right? Okay, so that's it. So I'll see you again in another video. Okay, so until then, see you.